going on, guys? Got a work order for a bathroom exhaust fan that's not working. Turn the switch on. Nothing. Turn it off. Alright, take the cover off. Yeah, that's hard to turn. So we're just going to replace the motor. This whole housing, actually. Right here's a brand new one. Just pulls out like that. And set our new one in. Put the two tabs up in the top. And then lift up on it. And we'll slide the bottom in. And you want to get this tab into the bottom. Alright. Now plug it in. Okay, let's try it out. Alright, gonna clean this cover up, snap it back on, call this one good. Then to put the cover back, these little things right here, you just want to squeeze them together and push them into that hole there. And then the other side, do the same thing. Once you have both sides in, just push the cover on. Good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.